Okay, my name, I'll just introduce
I'm
myself. My name Anjum Satar. I'm working with the
okay.
UK Versity last 12 years now. And I'm also teaching at University of Bradford, and I'll try my best to meet your expectation. If you have any question, feel free, always ask. Huh? So because
Yeah, sure.
this is a tutorial being set up, yes. If we need to arrange,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
if we need to arrange again, we can rearrange it. Huh? Okay. So
No problem.
today we can go through the basic stuff. So yes, quickly you introduce me, where you from, what you done, what you doing.
Yeah, my name is Khurram Tufail. I'm from Pakistan. So currently I'm in Qatar and I'm working there in human resources. So basically I have passed only just FSC pre-medical. So now I'm doing level 6 diploma in business management. So after this, let we see another proceeding for level 7 or for the MBA.
Okay, excellent. So you from, where you from? You mentioned from Pakistan, or are you from Middle East?
No, basically I am from Pakistan, but currently I am in Qatar.
Oh,
From
you,
Pakistan, I am from Punjab. Gujranwala. Yes.
okay, good. Yes, I know Gujranwala. Great. Okay,
Yeah.
brilliant.
Yeah.
So I'm originally from Pakistan too. I here last 23 years. So I'll try my best to meet your expectation. Yeah. And if you have any question, you,
Yeah. Inshallah.
okay, let's please. Okay, so this, lesson, which is you're doing OTHM level 6, yes?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so we're doing tutorial about finance, yes? Financial decision making. Okay,
Yeah.
so have you have access on Moodle page?
Uh, no. I'm online by cell phone,
No,
so
no,
I'm
no,
directly with your
not
call
that.
Zoom.
No, that's fine. You have access this page which I'm showing you, which is called
Yeah,
Moodle.
this I have. Yeah, yeah. This is you shared with me. Yeah, I have screen shared. Yeah.
Okay, brilliant. So you have lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, yes?
Yeah, yeah.
So have you ever learned the finance before?
No, this is first time finance.
Okay, but we play with the money, huh?
Yeah.
We manage the money, huh? And we need to manage the cash,
Yes, yes.
of course,
Yeah,
yes?
yeah, yeah. This is about cash. Yeah, sure.
Yes. Okay. So we in the business in learning outcome 1, we learn about sole trader, which is mean 1% business, partnership, 2 to 20, limited company. There is a no limit. Anybody can join and leave the company, yes?
Yeah,
There can be public limited company like Unilever, Lever Brother in Pakistan and in Middle East and other part of the world.
yeah.
And then we have, all other organization. So in this lesson, we discuss about sole trader, partnership and limited company,
Okay.
different types of organization we discuss, yes, with their advantages and
Yeah.
disadvantages. Okay. We discuss about,
Okay.
sorry, maybe slightly fast, but I'll do recap. Huh? So conceptual
Okay.
framework, we learn about accounting standard. Like in engineering, in medical, we have accounting standards. Yes. Standard
Yeah.
like, SOPs, standard operating procedures. Yeah. If we
Yeah.
don't, if we don't have a procedure, so we have an international accounting standard board. Those give the standard about accounting. Yes. Then we have a
Yeah.
quality in the financial statement. We prepare 4 types of statement reports end of the year to show the public that we are very good company. We are increasing our profit and loss. Yes. What's happening with our
Yeah.
activities. Okay. This is we discuss in our lesson 1. Okay. So that,
Yes.
we have all this in our lesson 1. Then Then second lesson, we learn about LO2. Okay. LO2 is a learning outcome 2. Yeah. So then we discuss about, we learn about LO2, about cash flow, how the money in and out from the business. Okay. So I will go through with you how we can prepare assignment. That's the key. Yeah.
Yes.
Because your course is about assignment based. Yes. And we need to learn about assignment. Okay. If you look here, we've been given the recordings. Can you see here recording? It should be other recording, but I don't know why they're not. There's only one recording. Can you hear?
Yes.
So, Khurram, are you busy? Are you today you're busy? Are you free?
No, I was going somewhere. So I cancelled. When you did not start the class, then I planned to go. Then meanwhile, I received call from Mr. Aman. He spoke, no tutor is coming, stay here.
No,
so
yes.
that's why.
Yeah. Well, no, that's sorry about I think so. I miss, something. Okay. So what we'll do, Khurram, we'll need to prepare our assignment. Yes.
Yes.
Have you seen this assignment?
Yes, I can see.
So this is one of sample assignments. Yes.
Yes.
Sample mean, by looking this, we can prepare our assignment. Okay. Okay. So what we'll do, we can arrange this, our meeting to discuss how we can prepare our assignments. Yes. Okay. So this is your one-off assignment. Yes. We have 3 tasks, task 1 to 3. Yes. So in this task, first we discuss about financial and non-financial decision making. So what is meant by decision making means selecting the best options.
Yes.
Okay. Selecting the best options. Best options. जो options select करते हैं. Okay. It's good to select the option. Okay. So you can read here, you can say such as you work in Qatar. Which company you work, which industry you work?
I work in construction company.
Construction company. So we can say decision making in construction company as a manager is very crucial. Yes, because where we have a financial decision, like looking how much cost will be every project. Yes, in the construction. Non-financial is mean nothing with money, but still we need to make the decision, like how much customer satisfaction, your clients. Yes, how quality of the goods. Yes. So that's is called non-financial. Okay. So when you will read, you will get it, and we can put the reference there. Okay. Risk. Risk is mean probability. You learn in maths probabilities. Yes, in first year maybe. Probability mean risk. So we can measure the risk in the business. Yes. If we have a more competition, we have a more risk. Yes. Risk can be economics risk. Risk can be legislation. If we have a too much laws, we have a more risk. Yes. Okay. Then which we'll go through. I'll explain you again. I'll rebook as well, because we not waste the time. Okay. So we'll go through the difference between the cash flow approaches. Yes. So in our lesson 2, we discuss about cash flow. Okay. Then then we can move to our task 2. Yes. Okay. So which will go through the task 2. Okay. In task 2, we have to choose the company of our choice. In this assignment, someone chosen Poundland. We have a company is a Poundland supermarket. Yes. Okay. So like you can choose your construction company as example, and we can write about it. Yes. How much profit, how much goods. Yes. How much margin is we call ratio analysis. Huh? I'll go through the ratios with you. Okay. Okay. Then we have third question. Describe the method, decide investment expenditure. Where we invest, when we invest the money, we look the break even. Okay, so what is a break even? Break even is a point where no profit, no loss. What is a break even? No profit, no loss. Like if you invest £100, you get £100. Huh? Okay, so what I will do, I'll prepare one template for you. Okay, where I'll copy all the links for you. Yes, how you can write it. Yes, to prepare the assignment. That will help you. Have you done assignment before, Puram?
Yeah, I have done 3 assignments. I already submitted.
Oh, you done 3. So it means you know how to do assignments.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm just wondering, Khurram, are you free 12 o'clock here UK time?
12. Okay.
Yes, it mean in 1.5 hours. I can resend you the link. Yes.
Yeah.
So I can do detail with you. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. You got me. So in the
No problem.
meanwhile, in 1 hour, what you can do, log on this. Yes, on Moodle. Look lesson 1, 2, and 3. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you're going out, that's fine. But when we will be back, yes, 12 o'clock, we'll go through this. Okay. And this is our assignment brief. Huh? Correct?
Okay.
Can you see here?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'm going to rearrange it this to 12 o'clock. Huh?
Okay.
Okay. And I will,
Yeah,
the link will stay the same. Huh?
okay.
So I'll amend the time. Huh? So Khurram,
Okay.
we can spend, good 1 hour on it. Huh?
Okay.
Because I just wish, because I will do properly. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll invite others. Maybe few people miss, join and left. Huh? Are you okay, Hurama? So
Yeah, okay.
just 1 second, I'll stop recording and we'll do